Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the science of genes and height. Height is a physical trait that is determined by a complex interplay of genetics and environment. But how do genes contribute to our height? And what factors influence our height? In this video, we will explore the science of genes and height and how genetics plays a role in determining our height. So, let's get started. The basics of genetics. Before we can delve into the genetics of height, it's essential to understand the basics of genetics. Genes are the basic units of inheritance that determine our physical and biological traits. They are made up of DNA, which contains the instructions for the development and function of our bodies. Height and genetics. Height is a complex trait that is influenced by many genes. Studies have shown that up to 80% of height variation in humans is due to genetic factors. The remaining 20% is attributed to environmental factors, such as nutrition and exercise. The role of genetic variants. There are many genetic variants that influence height. These variants can either increase or decrease height. For example, the gene FGFR3 has been shown to be associated with shorter height, while the gene H-homologous has been associated with taller height. Polygenic inheritance. Height is a polygenic trait, which means that it is influenced by multiple genes. Each gene contributes a small effect to overall height, and the combination of these effects determines our final height. This makes it challenging to predict an individual's height based on their genetics alone. Environmental factors. While genetics plays a significant role in determining our height, environmental factors can also influence our height. Nutrition, exercise, and exposure to certain chemicals can all impact our height. For example, malnutrition during childhood can lead to stunted growth, while exposure to growth hormone during puberty can increase height. Heritability. Heritability is a measure of how much of the variation in a trait is due to genetic factors. Studies have shown that heritability of height is around 80%, which means that most of the variation in height is due to genetic factors. In conclusion, the science of genes and height is complex and fascinating. Our height is determined by a combination of genetic and environmental factors, and many genes contribute to our overall height. While genetics plays a significant role in determining our height, environmental factors can also influence our height. If you like these videos, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.